Welcome to this guide on how to search for archived messages on LinkedIn using your PC, especially following the latest updates. If you've ever found yourself sifting through countless messages, you'll appreciate this streamlined process to locate those important conversations that you've archived. First, let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom corner of your screen where you'll find the messaging icon, represented by an envelope symbol. Click on that icon to access your messages. Now that you're in the messaging interface, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is where the magic happens. To filter your messages, click on the filter option next to the search bar. A drop-down menu will appear, and here's where you'll select Archived. This will allow you to focus solely on those messages that you've previously archived. With the archived messages displayed, it's time to find what you're looking for. Simply type in keywords related to the conversation or the person you are searching for in the search bar. This could be a name, a specific term from your discussion, or any relevant detail that can help narrow down your search. As you type, LinkedIn will filter through your archived messages and display results that match your query. This feature makes it incredibly easy to locate past conversations without having to scroll endlessly through your archives. Once you've found the message you're looking for, you can click on it to view the full conversation. This way, you can revisit important discussions or retrieve information that might have slipped your mind. To summarize, here are the steps once more. Open linkedin.com and log into your account. Click on the messaging icon in the bottom corner. Use the filter option in the search bar and select Archived. Enter keywords related to what you're searching for. By following these steps, you'll efficiently navigate through your archived messages on LinkedIn and retrieve any important information you need. Happy searching!